Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and I've got great news. We want to hear from you. We want to hear what your experience has been with us. We want to hear what you think we can improve on and what we're doing well. And we want to make it fun. So we're doing a giveaway this week. It is starting right now on August 10th. It's going through August 16th till 7 p.m. And then we are announcing the winner on our live Q&A. That's right, our live question and answer this Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So all you have to do to enter is to go to Google Myshire Farm, and leave us a review of any sort, good, bad, or indifferent. We want to know it all. And then we will pick a winner at random and announce the winner at the very beginning of our live Q&A this Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What you will win, you might ask? I will let you know. It is 60 free Myshire Farm hatching eggs with free shipping, but that's not even the best part. The best part is you pick what you want. It's not random, it is whatever you choose. You can mix and match. You can get jumbo wilds and jumbo Egyptians and jumbo white wings, or you can get pansy fees and pearls and fab fees, or everything in between. So you will work one-on-one with me to decide what's best for you, and we will get those shipped out to you next week. So again, it is starting right now. It is going through August 16th, this Sunday until about 6 o'clock. And then we will announce the winner at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we hope you enjoy it. We hope you give us feedback so that we can improve and know what we're doing well and what we can improve on for next year. And we hope you have fun. So good luck. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I hope to see you this Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm. Thanks. Have a great day.